don't like. Sino naman sa inyo mga estudyante dito ayaw na ayaw ng teacher? Mark de la Cruz was a boy that Miss Aquino simply did not like. And for good reason. Mark did not seem interested in going to school. He wore a blank expression. Walang parang mukha. Walang ekspresyon ang mukha. His eyes were glassy and unfocused. When she spoke to Mark, he merely shrugged his shoulders. His clothes were crumpled and his hair a mess. Ang dumi-duming tingnan. He was not an attractive boy, and he's certainly not likable. Whenever she marked grade on Mark's papers, she got a wicked pleasure from putting X next to the wrong answers. When she put F at the top of the papers, she did it with a flair. She would have known better. She had Mark's records, and she knew more him than she wanted to admit. His file has the following remarks. First grade. Mark shows promise with his work and attitude, but poor home situation.